Hey, this is the Maxhaust electronic exhaust tuning system created by Maxhaust in Germany. How I ordered it was through maxhaust.de. I gave them the model and year of my i8. They sent me a quote for the two pieces that need to be installed, which includes the Bluetooth sound booster and the sound module. They gave me a quote with shipping to Northern Virginia of about 692 euros. It came within about a week, and again it was shipped via DHL. Inside the box, a very small box, were the two modules. It was this one, another one. They also sent directions. Directions are in color. They are in English, again, but I'm not that technical. So I had cartoons in Northern Virginia actually do my install for me. They said it took about 3 hours to do the install. One of the other things you're going to have to do, whether you install it or someone else installs it, is you're going to have to download the Maxhaust app. I have mine set on my iPhone, and this is how you can control the exhaust system. My daughter's going to go ahead and she's going to start the car in eco mode. And again, a lot of us don't like being in eco mode with no sound, but you can see that she has it in eco mode, and we have some deep exhaust sound. Now this with the app, it's in comfort mode. You can see this on the app, it's in comfort mode. I can adjust the volume. If somebody walks up to my car and I can't hear them, I can go ahead and just click the button. It kills everything, as you can see. Now my daughter's going to go ahead and take it from eco into sport, and you can see I still have it shut off, but the sound's going to be a little bit deeper, a little bit louder. And again, I can kill it any time by hitting the button on that, or I can adjust the sound. She's going to take it back into eco mode, and again, you still have sound, which a lot of us don't like driving around with no sound. So I'm very happy with the Maxhaust. Again, it was 3 hours of labor, and it was about 600, almost 700 euro to have it shipped into from Northern Virginia.